At American Dent Specialists, do we drill holes in your car? And the absolute answer is no. Back in, prehistoric times of paintless dent repair, drilling a hole to access a dent was somewhat acceptable. Now we know much more what those holes actually do to the vehicle from a strength standpoint. Vehicles that we repair nowadays are extremely technical. They're designed by engineers who expect that panel to respond in a collision in a certain way. We do not adjust or alter the safety of the door, quarter panel, trunk lid, hood by drilling holes in it. Nor do we adjust the sensors and all of the safety systems that are on the car that are designed to keep the occupants safe. It's a safety issue and we want your car to be safe. So give us a call here at American Dent and Collision Craftsman, and we will walk through this process and make it as seamless for you as we can. Thank you.